Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing a snack crate haul. And I have a guest with me today, my brother. Introduce yourself.
King Mike, y'all. King Mike.
Okay. This is a snack crate, and I got the mini box, so it comes with 5 full-size snacks. And can you guess our country? Okay, look at it. Well, okay, look at this part right here. What does that look like? I thought it was England, but it's New Zealand.
New Zealand.
Okay, so we're gonna try stuff from New Zealand.
Let's
and
get
I'm
it.
just gonna let's see what's in here. Alright, so I'll read the about for New Zealand. Okay, y'all probably don't even care. Let me just continue. They got some snacks. Okay, so here they have a little picture about fun facts.
And you can get all this stuff and the snacks on snackcrate.com. So
I have a code that I will link in the description box.
Check
Click
that
on
out,
that,
y'all.
try some snacks. And the fun thing is that you don't know what country you're gonna get, so
Exactly. It's all random. It's all random.
yeah, it's all good. And then they have a couple of snacks in here. Yeah. What else? Oh, this is premium, honey. Okay. And they have some drinks. All right, that's it. Came with a little sticker. Cute snack crate. Let's open this up.
What we got?
Beat the heat. Snack crate. Okay, whatever, son. Got some stickers. Let's start with the first thing, and it's some chips. They are Ripple Cut chicken flavored chips. So
Chicken flavored chips.
let's try. I have water because I don't like trying new things, and I don't know, so I don't like it. Let's some water.
Let's see how it tastes.
But let's try these chips and y'all get into it. Maybe it'll taste like some Lay's. I don't know.
We'll see.
Let's try these
We'll
chips. Yeah. Oh, this over here. It kind of smells
It's
a
a
little
big old
chicken.
one.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. It's not bad, to be honest.
It's not bad at all.
I'll give it a solid 6 out of 10.
It's not.
Let me
Hold
get
up.
another one.
Yeah, this one's good, for real, bro.
Let me get another one. It's not bad. It's not New Zealand, okay?
I don't even know what it tastes like, for real.
It doesn't really taste like chicken, though. Like,
This is good, man. Come on.
I like it.
All right, let's move on to the next
Next
one.
one.
Let's
So,
move on to the next one.
chicken chips. We have these are called Munchos spicy tomato.
Oh gosh.
I don't know. But
I'm not looking forward to this one at all.
why you don't like tomato?
Mm-mm.
All right, well, let's try it.
What it tastes like? What it smell like?
Well, let's, all right, let's just.
Hold up,
I mean,
hold up.
I can rock with it. This I'll give us solid 4 out of 10.
This most definitely is not it. This is not it.
I thought it was gonna be like, it looks kind of like the Funyun type of thing, but not the full circle. So I thought it was gonna like crunch like that, but it's like a crunchy, soft crunch. If that makes sense.
It's not bad, but it's not good at all. So like, it's a no for me. I like them chicken chips better. You feel me?
Yeah, it's okay. All right,
Next
I'm still
one.
gotta clean my palate.
What we got?
All right, next.
Ooh,
We have,
that packaging looks nice.
this is Willy Wonka Fabulicious Sherbet Fizz.
Hey, that sounds good.
So we
though.
have some candy.
That sounds.
Excuse
sounds
my
really
nails, guys. But let's try this. You want to split one?
Yeah.
Alright. Jesus.
Look at these. These look like
some candy.
Sweet Tart Sweet Ropes, if y'all know what it is.
Oh yeah. It smells so good.
Wow.
It smells so good. I don't even like candy like that. I know you like candy.
Yo, this smells.
This was really good. All right. It was good. The inside.
It's good.
The inside tastes like those gummy sweet tarts.
Yeah. These better than the sweet tart, sweet ropes. My opinion.
This is like a solid 7 out of 10. Yeah.
This is real good, y'all. This is real good.
That was the Fabulicious Sherbet Fizz. Willy Wonka. I'm just gonna show this one. We can't eat it because we're both allergic to peanuts, but it's the Whitaker's, the original peanut slab. Probably gonna give it to my mom because we can't eat peanuts. We're allergic, so.
Next one, what we got? This last one?
Cadbury. If y'all know European chocolate, Cadbury and Dairy Milk.
It's that good.
Dairy Milk especially.
It's that good.
This is called Moro. And says it's a fistful of caramel, nougat, and Cadbury milk chocolate.
Sounds good. I love caramel.
So yeah, this should be good. You know, but I just one.
All right. It's all soft and stuff. Looks like it melted. But how we gonna do this?
Just take a piece. I not melted. Just got tissue from right there.
My hand, bro. Hey, man. You gotta use your resources, all right?
Put it on.
You gotta use your resources. It's all melted, so I'm gonna use the spoon.
Just take it with your hands.
Should I taste it?
Take it with your hands like it's. Alright.
Got my piece.
This is so soft. Jeez. Oh god. This is so soft. Alright, got mine. That's good.
Sort of tastes like a Milky Way.
Nothing
special.
That's just a Milky Way.
Nothing special. That's good.
That was good. I could definitely get into that when you're craving chocolate. Okay. Last thing, these are just some little candies called Milkshakes Vanilla.
Ooh.
Alright, I'll drink some water.
Ooh. Milkshake vanilla. I'm expecting this to be like a taffy or something.
Yeah.
But we'll see. Can't really smell nothing, but. It tastes like a vanilla taffy.
I don't like it.
It's not bad. Not bad at all.
Okay, so what's your favorite snack? Let's bring them back again. Spicy tomato chips. Chicken. I like this. I think this is my favorite thing. Chicken chips.
It's my favorite.
Sherbet Fizz candy.
It's my favorite.
What would you give this?
I'll give that an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10.
I'll give this a 7 out of 10.
Same.
Peanut slabs. We cannot eat. Okay, I was about to say, what would you give this? We can't eat it. I would give this a 6 out of 10. I don't really like candy, but it was really good. This, I'll give it 4 out of 10. Spicy tomato chips.
I'll give that a 1 out of 10. Sorry.
It was good. This candy, I'll probably give it a 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10, yeah,
That's
that's
good.
fair.
So, that is it for our New Zealand snacks. In the description box, I will leave my referral code if you guys want to try it out. Get some snacks. It's really fun, really interesting. You can try new snacks from a different country, and you don't even know what country you'll get. So, there's a little game in there, a little game, a little fun. Anything to say?
We do my intro.
All right. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.